DNB Network with Dee's Photo.
Hello, it's me, Dee, from the NB Network. I have been filming videos like all day. I've done one video twice thinking I had lost the footage, but then the footage reappeared. So that was interesting. Those things are a mess because, yeah, I'm in a clusterfuck of sorting things and organizing and redoing furniture, as I told you in previous videos. So subscribe and you can follow this journey with Dee. But today's video, I got one of the controversial Jeffree Star Valentines mystery boxes. I only wanted one because sometimes I've gotten more in the past, and I'm like, I just want to get the Supreme this time, and I'm excited. This thing is huge. I've always been able to get these boxes. I tell you, I have my computer and I have my iPad going, and often it's usually my iPad that I get in, but I'm like refreshing 15 minutes before time, and as the stuff starts loading a few minutes before the time, which is 11 my time zone, because it's 10 Pacific usually, or whatever it was like 11 my time, so 15 minutes before, and so I was already checked out by 11 o'clock with this box. I had no problem whatsoever. And I think that's why people were all upset. They were like, I can't get the boxes, because people already bought them out like fast. It wasn't that you couldn't get it in the drop down. They were like, it's not in the drop down. It's because it's sold out, folks. Use a little bit of noggin here. And I know it's frustrating when you can't get things because others got it, and I'm sorry, but I will be doing a giveaway. So people subscribe and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and you'll be able to get the stuff. So here we go. I am opening this box up. I don't know what to expect. There's supposed to be 12 items. 5, is it 5 or 6? 5 exclusives or 6? And I had people now downstairs being noisy, and office doors are open because the cats keep opening them, so you can hear things, and I'm sorry. I usually don't have anybody home, but they're home today. People have been sick. Oopsie. Oh my goodness, yeah. One of the products that I see right away, I'm actually wearing right now, and I'll just take it out right away. It's the Jeffree Star Blue by Palette. I'm not even going to open this up. I'm going to keep it like this. See, I have it. Pull it out. It's this stunning palette. I'm wearing it right now. People can see the colors. I'm going to give this palette away since I already have it. I do not need 2 of them. And I would love to be able to give this to somebody else who does not have it. I want to be able to give it as a gift. Okay. And I got a Jeffree Star pink pop socket. I'm going to use this. I actually, for my phone, I want to put it on there. I actually have a phone case there. I would try and put a pop socket on it. I've had an orange pop socket, and it was not going to go at all with my phone, and I let my daughter have that one. Okay. Oh, how cute. The bag with the conversation hearts. Isn't it adorable? This is totally great for shopping because I am all about the environment and not having to, use plastic bags. It'd be great for this to go shopping and to reuse these bags. This is great. This is very conscientious too. And oh, this, I wanted one of these bags. I think this is an exclusive item with color that is not available, but it's a color that I absolutely love. I might have to fight my wife over this item, but when we definitely are up in the mountains, I'm going to be using this. And when we're going out, this is a great handy bag. Very sturdy, very well made. I am impressed. I am happy. This is a great size for just a lot of little things. Oh, another palette. Let's see, what is this? It's one I don't have. It's Brain Freeze. I have wanted this one. I almost bought it recently. Take your glow everywhere. Blind the world. 6 shades. This is a gorgeous, stunning. I mean, I love these formulas and the highlight. Oh, it's just so creamy. It's so hard. It's like, creamy. Isn't that just... Yeah, I know. I'm putting it on. I can't even see where I'm putting it. I'm just like feeling my bones structure here because I can't see. I don't know if people realize that. You know, you see me with my makeup on and I am just going by memory pretty much and feeling bone structure, brows, and hopefully blending well. And some people are probably like horrified when they hear that. Like, huh? Yeah, I know, right? That is a keeper for me. Let's see what else here. Oh, how fun, how fun, how fun. The gloss. Okay, I love glosses. I think I have this one, though. Do I? I think I have Ice Cold. I think I already have this. And I like it. Yeah, I do. I do have this one. This is one, I do have this. This is one of my favorites, Ice Cold. I'm not opening this all the way up. Once again, I'm going to give this one away also because I love lip glosses. And it is, in fact, I have it. Yeah. Right here. It's great. I wear it. As I said, right there. And okay, so that's another great giveaway. I don't mind getting duplicates at all when I get stuff like this because I do. Some of you might have seen recently on Pat Wallace's channel. I packed a special box of cosmetics of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It had the peppermint frost and some other stuff, like the Shane color liquid lipstick, and had like a highlighter and just a liquid highlighter, and just it had a mini Jawbreaker palette. It was just a lot of little things that I've had of Jeffree Star's, and I just made a little cute little mystery box and sent it to him as a surprise to thank him, because he's a good person. He's got such positive energy. Some people thought it was a regular Jeffree Star mystery box. No, it was just a D special. I just wanted to give to somebody who didn't have a lot of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Oh my God, I love this gloss. This is Soft Core Sparkle. I wonder if this is one of the exclusives. I'm going to wear this. I'm going to wear the shit out of this. I can tell you right now. I'm a gloss girl. I love glosses. I love glosses. Now this, Human Nature. I do not have this. I definitely want to keep this. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh. Look at this packaging. I'm in love. All right, and let me, ooh, it got bones. Sorry, I'm bony on my wrist, so you could kind of see, but the color is definitely, isn't this a color I would wear? Yes, folks, it is. And the sparkling of this packaging. Ah, you know, I'm an MB. There's a lot of masculinity in me, but there's also the girly in me, and the girly in me is like, I'm hardcore going crazy. Now, Blow Pony. I think I have Blow Pony. I think I do. I think I already have Blow Pony. I think I have Blow Pony. Yes, I do. I have Blow Pony. Blow Pony is a fun purple. It would be great with this gloss, don't you think? I just love the color coordination. I might give this one away too. I just have to double check, but I do believe I have Blow Pony. Because I love to wear abstract colors now and then on my lips. Just go, bam, here's my purple. I know my father-in-law will sometimes joke, we'll walk into the country club and I'll sit down at dinner and I'm like purple or blue lips. He'll just be like, hello. Are you feeling okay? Are you a little blue under the weather? Oh, I got mistletoe. Now this is green. This is from, I know, Christmas collection. It is, I mean, green. I haven't been so bold to do this on my lips. I might do this on my eyes. I can see my wife maybe going crazy, and because she does funky shapes on her lips, she would totally do this. Yes, she would. I could see her. Oh my gosh, yeah. My wife. And oh, we got a lip scrub. Mojito. Oh, that is different. I have a lip scrub and it's vanilla mint and I love it. I mean, I love it. Mojito. Woo! This is a mojito. I can even smell the mint in it. Smells like the fresh raw mint that grows in my garden. And you smell like that, the rum. Oh my gosh. Woo! I don't know if I would want that on my lips though. Because I always think of summer day sitting out on my porch, sipping mojitos with my wife and friends, you know? That's weird, but I like it. Now this, I am so stoked about. I'm gonna have to fight for this in my household, I'll tell you right now. Because everyone will want it. I'm just gonna be like, this is Dee's. Bitches. This is Dee's. My wife is just walked in the room and she's looking over her desk like, what is Dee opening? What is she doing? Because she's already stolen some things of mine like this. This is a Jeffree Star mirror. It's his new Star approved. I wanted one of these new ones. I can't even open this without being just brutal. So I'm going to get brutal. Because why? I'm going to cut through this bitch, man. I need to put a new blade on my knife here. Yes, I do. It's my favorite color ever. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. Can you see this? It's big, huge mirror. I don't want to flash everything on the other side of my house because you'll see my wife peeking around the corner. Woo. Can you? But yes, oh my gosh, folks. Oh wow, this is so reflective. You can see my ring light, can't you, in the mirror? I love this. Oh my gosh, people. I love this mirror. I am going to use this a lot. It is so pretty. I just love this metallic rose color, magenta rose color. I think I did great. Like I said, there's going to be a giveaway. What you need to do is you do need to subscribe to this channel. You need to comment below. What you need to comment with. What should I make you comment with? I want you to use the emoji, use the little lipstick emoji and a blue heart. And I will run this through, let's see here, Valentine's Day. And I will announce the winners on Instagram and on my Twitter. So you might want to follow me on those accounts. The links will be there below. And like I said, this the Blue Blood palette, and I'm giving away a gloss and a blow pony. So I'm thinking there will be 3 winners. I will choose. So subscribe. You have to be subscribed. You have to like and comment below with a lipstick and a blue heart. And tell me, what is your favorite Jeffree Star cosmetic product? And thank you for watching my video, and I look forward to hearing from you down below. Thank you for watching the Envy Network. I'm Dee, and see you next time. Bye.
The Envy Network with Dee Sparta.